Hi, my name is Branko, and I'm a FEMBA 2021 candidate. Currently work as a Director of Strategy and Business Development at CFR Rinkins, an automotive logistics and freight forwarding company. I decided to go to business school because I wanted to enhance my career. I wanted to pick up new skills. I wanted to meet and network with really smart and inspiring students and professors, but I also wanted to explore career opportunities through on-campus recruiting. I specifically chose Anderson because of its focus on entrepreneurship and technology, but also because I really loved everybody I met through various interactions with representatives of Anderson brand, from my initial contacts with FEMBA admission staff to meeting various students and alumni during happy hours and informationals, to meeting professors during class visits. I really found every interaction meaningful, and I found both students and professors to be really smart, really down to earth. It's something that really resonated with me. I chose GAP for my field study because I really wanted to consult with an international growth company. I felt that it was a really good opportunity to, work with a top-notch team of fellow FEMBA students, and explore and potentially turn an entrepreneurial idea of our client into an executable business plan. Our client happened to be a company that deals with personal protective equipment, a topic that was very salient during a global pandemic and something that became quite interesting to research because of the times that we live in. Within the team, I was the client liaison, so I got to establish our initial contact with the client and working along with our team, build a fruitful and productive working relationship, which I think allowed the team and I to get really excited about the topic and about our specific goal, and ultimately create a business plan that we're really excited about. I learned a ton during the GAP journey, both in terms of the subject matter topic that we were researching, but also in terms of really understanding how entrepreneurs think, because we were working directly with the CEO of our client company. At my regular job, I also work directly with the CEO of my company, who is an entrepreneur. And I think I understand his thought process better and can be a more productive team member because of my GAP experience. Having completed GAP, I'm excited to take forward many learnings into my career, including how to think big and think outside the box. Our client was a very forward-looking company, although a relatively small team of like-minded individuals, in the sense that they had shared ideas and goals, but also from different environments, bringing different strengths to the table. But this helped me understand that an exciting idea can really come from anywhere and potentially disrupt an existing industry. I also learned the importance of dedicating a lot of time early on to build a good team before you start any project. A team is the most important ingredient and element of any business venture. And in GAP, our team formed early on, actually months before the official due date, and this allowed us to spend some good time on bonding and creating team norms and understanding each other's working styles to the extent that was needed, because most of us had actually worked previously together and really enjoyed working together. This did pay dividends throughout the process, because we were a really well-oiled machine. Going forward, whether I'm looking for a new job or I'm, exploring a partnership between the company I work for and another company, I will be looking really closely into who am I actually working with. Can I establish a trusting relationship with those folks? Can we build on each other's strengths and create a strong and lasting relationship that will be fruitful going forward? I'm truly honored to be selected by the faculty as a Voice of FEMBA for GAP. I hope that my story encourages you to consider, what is it that you want to get out of your business school experience, and how to find an environment that's going to work best for you. and also what to look forward to. Keep an open mind. Getting an MBA is a lot of work, but it's a holistic experience. It's an experience of learning, putting in a lot of work, networking with really smart people, and forming really great friendships for life. But also the unexpected and exciting things that will happen to you during your MBA journey. From getting an opportunity to interview with company of your dreams on campus, to having these profound learning experiences, both in class, working with our incredible faculty, and also with fellow students, in various opportunities to have teamwork. And I hope that you apply. GAP itself was really rewarding because of my wonderful team and wonderful client and exciting topic that we got to explore. Uh, it was a lot of work, but I would do it all over again. And if you get a chance to attend Anderson, I do encourage you to explore GAP.